Hey everybody, it's Aiden, Dad, and Mom. And Aiden and Dad are going to play the 2014 edition of Mousetrap, Elefun and Friends from Hasbro Gaming. Alright buddy, why don't you take it away with your turn. You got purple. Dad's got double blue. And Aiden's turn. Double purple. Double blue.
I need to land on the blue.
Okay. All right, buddy. Uh-oh. I'm in the trap zone, aren't I? Better get me better in the trap zone. Right there.
Are you ready?
We're ready. Comes that ball down the stairs on the alligator, the elephant, to the giraffe, and here comes the trap down. Oh, you got my blue mouse, Aiden guy. All right. Way to go. All right. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed that little episode. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Have a good night. The end.